you doing your assignments? Well done. Okay. In the previous classes, we discussed about the integers first chapter. That chapter already finished. Today, we discuss about the next chapter. What is next chapter? Here, I give the one number. What is this? 1 by 2. What is this 1 by 2 is called? Do you know? 1 by 2 is called fraction. 1 divided by 2 is called fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is a number which represents the part of a whole. Suppose you take one circle. Suppose you take one circle. This is one circle. This circle can be divided into two equal parts. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is the 1 by 2 part, this is the 1 by 2. Full is the 1. This can be divided into 4 equal parts. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Another circle we take. This can be divided into 3 parts. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is a part of this whole circle. 1 by 4 is part of whole circle. 1 by 3 is part of whole circle. Fraction means a number, but it represents a part of a whole. This is whole. How? In fractions, number of fractions are there. Types of fractions. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction. What is proper fraction? What is improper fraction? What is mixed fraction? We learn. First, you write down all these things. Today we discuss about the fractions. Second chapter, fractions, decimals, and rational numbers. Rational numbers. We discuss about fraction. Fraction is a number which represents a part of whole. Example, mixed fraction. Fourth one is the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Today we discuss about the second chapter, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Today only we discuss about fractions. Fraction is a number which represents a part of a whole. Example 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. Types of fraction. First fraction is a proper fraction, second one improper fraction, third one mixed fraction, fourth one equivalent fraction. We discuss one by one. Okay, ma'am. Types of fractions. So first fraction, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? In a fraction whose numerator is greater than 0 but less than its denominator. In a fraction whose numerator. What is the numerator? What is the denominator? You see here 3 by 4. 3 is the numerator. 4 is the denominator. You know very well. In a fraction, which is the numerator, which is the denominator, you know very well. You see the first one, proper fraction. In a fraction whose numerator is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means 1 to denominator. You know very well this. What is numerator and what is denominator? In a fraction whose numerator is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So, numerator greater than 0, you take 3. But less than its denominator. Less than its denominator. Numerator, denominator. 3 is the less than 7. 3 is the greater than 0. 3 by 7, 2 by 5, 6 by 9, etc. Clear now? In a proper fraction, numerator less than the denominator. Numerator less than the denominator. Up numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. That fraction is called proper fraction. Clear? Improper fraction. In a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Here numerator is greater. 7. Denominator is the smaller. 5. 7 by 5. 9 by 2. 11 by 6. Etc. In the proper fraction, numerator is less. Improper fraction, numerator is greater. Mixed fraction, combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. You take any whole number. 4, 2 by 3, 5, 4 by 6, 6, 7 by 9. This is the 4 is a whole number. This is a proper fraction. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. 5 is a whole number. 4 by 6 is a proper fraction. 6 is a whole number. 7 by 9 is a proper fraction. Combination of whole number and proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. In this case, every mixed fraction can be expressed as improper fraction. Every mixed fraction can be expressed as improper fraction. How? Example. We take first 4, 2 by 3. How to change proper fraction? mixed fraction into a improper fraction. 3 into 4, 3 into 4 plus 2 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12 plus 2 divided by 3. 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. 14 by 3. Next, equivalent fraction. The value of fraction remains unchanged. Not changed. Value of a fraction. If the numerator and denominator both are multiplied by same number, both are divided by same number, on that case the fraction will be not changed. Suppose you take 4 by 5. This can be multiplied by 2, both numerator and denominator. 4 by 5 into 2 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Again 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 3. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Again 4 by 5 divided by 4 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. So you see 4 by 5 equal to 8 by 10 equal to 12 by 15 equal to 16 by 20. Simplification of this. 4 2s are 5 2s are. 2 2 cancel. 4 by 5 remains unchanged. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 12. 3 3 cancel. Again 4 by 5 is left. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 5 5 cancel. 4 by 5 is remains unchanged. Next you see the comparing fractions. With the same denominator, with the larger numerator is greater. With same denominators. Suppose 4 by 9, 5 by 9. Here both are 9 in the denominators. On that case, which numerator is greater? That is the greater. Here 5 is greater. So 4 by 9 less than 5 by 9. 11 by 7, 9 by 7. Here also denominators are same. So 11 is the biggest number. So 11 by 7 greater than 9 by 7. Second case. With the same numerator, the fraction with the larger denominator is smaller. Numerators are same. 4 by 9, 4 by 11. With the same numerator, 4 4 same numerators. The fraction with the larger denominator. Which is the larger denominator? 11 is the larger denominator. This is the smaller. Again, another example. Here also numerators are same. Here 12 is the larger denominator. This is the 7 by 12 is the smaller. With the different denominators, numerators. How? Suppose you take 2 by 3, 4 by 5. Which one is the greater? You see. 2 by 3 is the first fraction. This can be multiplied. Second fraction denominator 5. 5 by 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Next you take second 4 by 5. In the first fraction denominator 3. 3 by 3. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Here 10 by 15, 12 by 15. Denominators are same. On that time, which one is the greater? Which numerator is the greater? That one is the greater. 10 by 15 less than 12 by 15. 10 by 15 means 2 by 3. Less than 12 by 15 means 4 by 5. Again I repeat ma. Proper fraction. In a proper fraction, whose numerator is greater than 0 but less than its denominator. What is the numerator? What is the denominator? In a fraction above the line, 3 having. This 3 is the numerator. Down the line, 4 is there. 4 is the denominator. In a fraction, numerator is greater than 0. Numerator is greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you take 3, 2, 6. But less than its denominator. 3 by 7. 7 is more than the 3. 3 is less than the 7. Here 2 by 5. 2 less than 5. 6 by 9. 6 less than 9. Numerator is the smaller number. Denominator is the biggest number. That is the proper fraction. Improper fraction. In a fraction, whose numerator is greater than the denominator? Whose numerator is greater than the denominator? Numerator is greater than the denominator. 7 is greater than the 5. 9 is greater than the 2. 11 is greater than the 6. So, whose numerator is greater than the denominator? That fraction is called mixed. Improper fraction. Next one is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means combination of a whole number and proper fraction. Proper fraction means less than the denominator. So, with 4 2 by 3. 4 is the whole number. This is mixed with the proper fraction 2 by 3. 5 is the whole number. This is the mixed with the 4 by 6 the proper fraction. 6 is the whole number. 7 by 9 is the proper fraction mixed with these two. Every mixed fraction can be expressed as improper fraction. We take 4 2 by 3. How this mixed fraction changes into improper fraction? 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus 2 by 3. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 by 3. 12 plus 2 14 by 3. 14 by 3 is the improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. That is the improper fraction. Okay ma? Next equivalent fraction. The value of fraction remains unchanged if the numerator and denominator both are divided or multiplied by the same number. Sometimes multiplied, sometimes divide. So here one example is given 4 by 5. 4 by 5 multiplied by 2. Numerator and denominator. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Again 4 by 5 multiplied 3 by 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. 4 by 5 again multiplied by 4 by 4. 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. Here 4 by 5 equal to 8 by 10 equal to 12 by 15 equal to 16 by 20. These three you have simplified, you got the 4 by 5 only. Next, comparing fractions. How you compare? Which one is the greater, which one is the smaller? In three cases are there. One first case with the same denominator with the larger numerator is greater. Suppose you take any three fractions, that fractions having the same denominator, on that time which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Here 4 by 9, 5 by 9, both are same denominators, but here 4 and 5 are different numerators. 5 is the greater, so 4 by 9 less than the 5 by 9. 11 by 7, 9 by 7. Here both are same denominators, but numerators are different. 11 is the biggest one, so 11 by 7 greater than 9 by 7. In the second case, with the same numerator, the fraction with the larger denominator is smaller. Suppose you take two fractions, on that fraction the highest denominator, that is the smaller fraction. 4 by 9, 4 by 11. 11 is the greater one. So 4 by 11 is the smallest fraction. 7 by 12, 7 by 9. 7, 7 is the same numbers. 12, 9. 12 is the greater number, which is the smaller one. Which is the smaller one. 7 by 12 less than 7 by 9. With different denominators and different numerators. How? Here 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Both are different numerators and different denominators. All the time you take first fraction 2 by 3. We take 2 by 3. In the second fraction, what is the denominator? 5. You multiply 2 by 3 with 5. 2 by 3 into 5 by 5. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Next fraction you take 4 by 5. In 4 by 5, in the first fraction 3 is the denominator, so you multiply 4 by 5 with 3. 4 by 5 into 3 by 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Here 10 by 15, 12 by 15. Both are same denominators. On that time, which is the greater numerator, that is the highest one, largest one. So 10 by 15 less than 12 by 15. 10 by 15 means 2 by 3, 12 by 15 means 4 by 5. 2 by 3 less than 4 by 5. Write 5 equivalent fractions for first one 3 by 5, second one 4 by 7. First one you take 3 by 5. Equivalent fractions means a fraction can be divided or multiplied same number. Numerator and denominator multiplied by same number or divided by same number. That fractions remains unchanged. So 3 by 5. 3 by 5 can be divided into 2 by 2. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. This can be divided into 3 by 5 can be divided into 4 by 4. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. 3 by 5 can be divided into 6 by 6.
ఒక్క నిమిషం చెప్పండి.
Fractions for Which one is the bigger fraction? How you find out? Here numerators are different, denominators are different. On the time you take the first fraction 5 by 8. Both the numerators and denominators are multiplied. Second fraction denominator. What is the second fraction denominator? 5. 5 by 5. 5 5s are 25. 8 5s are 40. Next you take the second fraction 3 by 5. Both the numerators and denominators are multiplied. First fraction denominator. First fraction denominator is the 8. 8 by 8. 3 8s are 24. 5 8s are 40. Here 25 by 40. 24 by 40. 25 by 40 greater than 24 by 40. 25 by 40 means 5 by 8. Greater than 24 by 40 means 3 by 5. Which one is the greater now? 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 5. Which one is the greater? How you solve? First you equate the same denominators. Same denominators having, you automatically which numerator is the greater one, that is the greatest one. So which is bigger, 5 by 8 or 3 by 5? You take the first denominator, multiply the second fraction numerator. Next you take the second fraction, you multiply first fraction denominator. Automatically got it. Next one, third one is the simplest form. Write in simplest form. First one is the 3 by 8. And 375 by 1000. So simplify the second fraction. First one is the 3 by 8 and second fraction 3 into 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 1, 15, 3 5s are 15 divided by 8 into 8 1s are 8, 10 minus 8 2, 20, 8 2s are 16, 20 minus 16 4, 40, 8 5s are 40. This one multiply, this one multiply will cancel. 3 by 8 equal to 3 by 8. Simplest form of 375 by 1000 is the 3 by 8. Next second one. Six by 10 and 600 by 1000. This is very simple. 6 by 10 and 600 by 1000. Here in the above 2 zeros are there, in the below 3 zeros are there. 0 0 0 0 cancel. Here is 6 is left, 10 is left. 6 by 10 equal to 6 by 10. Again I repeat now. Write 5 equivalent fractions for first one 3 by 5, second one 4 by 7. Equivalent fractions means numerator and denominator both are multiplied and divided by the same number. 3 by 5 multiplied 2 by 2. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 3 by 5 multiplied 4 by 4. 3 4s are 8 into 5, 40. Next you take second fraction, multiply first fraction, no, denominator. First fraction denominator is 8, 3 by 4 into 8 by 8, 3 8 is 24, 5 8 is 40. In these two, 25 by 40 is the bigger one. So why both are same denominators? On the time which numerator is the greater one, that is the greater. So 25 by 40 is the greater. 25 by 40 greater than 24 by 40. 25 by 40 means 5 by 8. 24 by 40 means 3 by 5. Therefore 5 by 8 greater than 3 by 5. Write in simplest form. Here two fractions are given. In the second fraction, simplify with the first fraction. 3 by 8 and 375. First you write down the 3 by 8. 375 simplify. 3 goes 3 one time. 3 by 8 and 375 by 1000. 3 by 8 and this 375 can be written as 3 into 125. Why? 3 goes 375 125 times. 8 goes 1000 125 times. Here 125 125 is cancelled. 3 by 8 equal to 3 by 8. Second one is the 6 by 10 and 600 by 1000. In the 600 and 1000, 2 zeros are cancelled. 6 by 10 is left. So 6 by 10 equal to 6 by 10. Before close my class, I will give you the assignment. Write 5 equivalent fractions for 4 by 7. Second one, simplest form. By 54 and 23 by 69. Okay children, you do the homework and practice.